બેંક ઓફ ઇન્ડિયાએ રેપો રેટમાં ઘટાડો કરવાની જાહેરાત કરી છે। રેપો રેટમાં 40 બેસિસ પોઈન્ટનો ઘટાડો કરી દીધો છે, ત્યારે ત્યારબાદ નવો રેટ 4% થઈ ચૂક્યો છે। કોરોનાના લોકડાઉન બાદથી ત્રીજી વખત આરબીઆઈએ રાહતની જાહેરાત કરી છે। સૌથી પહેલા 27મી માર્ચ અને ત્યારબાદ 17મી એપ્રિલના રોજ આરબીઆઈએ કેટલાક પ્રકારના રાહતોની જાહેરાત કરી ચૂક્યું હતું। ત્યારે કોરોના વાયરસના કારણે અર્થવ્યવસ્થાને નુકસાન થયું છે। એપ્રિલમાં ગ્લોબલ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પીએમઆઈ ઘટીને 11 વર્ષના નીચલા સ્તર પર પહોંચ્યો હતો। તો ડબ્લ્યુટીઓના જણાવ્યા અનુસાર વિશ્વમાં કારોબાર આ વર્ષે 13 થી 32% સુધી ઘટી શકે છે।
Over the last 3 days, that is 20th, 21st and 22nd, the MPC reviewed the domestic and global developments and their implications for the outlook. After extensive discussions, the MPC voted unanimously for a reduction in policy repo rate and for maintaining the accommodative stance of monetary policy as long as necessary to revive growth and to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 while ensuring that inflation remains within the target. On the quantum of reduction, the MPC voted with a 5:1 majority to reduce the policy repo rate by 40 basis points, 40 basis points from 4.4% to 4%. Consequently, the MSF rate and the bank rate now stand reduced to 4.25% and reverse repo rate stands reduced to 3.35%. India's foreign exchange reserves have, however, increased by 9.2 billion during 2021, that is from 1st April onwards, and so far, that is up to 15th of May, our foreign exchange forex reserves, they stand at 487 billion US dollars, which is equivalent to 1 year's imports. I now go to the outlook with regard to inflation and growth. Against this backdrop, the MPC assessed that inflation outlook is highly uncertain. The supply shock to food prices in April may show persistence over the next few months, depending upon the state of lockdown and the time taken to restore the supply chains after relaxation of the lockdown. Among the pressure points, the elevated level of pulses inflation is worrisome and warrants timely and swift supply-side interventions, including a reappraisal of the import duties. Immediate step-up of open market sales, PDS offtake by FCI to offload some part of excess stocks can also cool down cereal prices and also create room for Rabi procurement. Given the current global demand-supply balance, international crude oil prices, metals, and industrial raw materials are likely to remain soft. This would ease input costs for domestic firms. Deficient demand may hold down pressure on core inflation, although persisting supply dislocations impart uncertainty to their near-term outlook. Much will depend on the shape of the recovery after COVID-19.